welcome back to the 2Gay BFS channel. I am MC James Matthew.
And I'm MC James CJF.
And today, we're going to react to the Nation's Girl Group newest single, Shaggy. Shapopo.
Feeling ko alam ko na to.
Judging from the cover art, tapos yung title, parang nilalaro ko sa labas.
Paano nga?
Shaggy. Shapopo. Shaggy. Shapopo.
Basta yun. Basta it's a children's game.
Tapos kaka-release lang talaga nila ng Zero Pressure parang 2 weeks ago.
Okay.
So let's listen to Shaggy.
Let's listen.
Do you guys know Shaggity Shop?
Sabi?
What's that?
Sabi ng opening.
Sabi ng ang kanti nung sound.
Sexy nung pagkakanta nila ha.
Like OMG.
Ay maganda, tabet ko to simula. Ay! Ay, oo nga, may ganyan yan. Hindi ko siya.
Parang siyang feeling ko kaya siya ni-release para makisabay sa hype ng mga parang hyperpop. Parang hyperpop yung sound niya eh.
Oo nga, parang hyperpop.
Pero ewan ko, gusto ko yung mga verse.
Maganda yung verse,
Maganda yung verse,
yung
ang
chorus lang
sexy.
hindi.
Feeling ko cringe yung chorus kasi alam natin yung game. Parang hindi ako convinced sa chorus eh.
Pero hindi din siya catchy. Parang ang one note lang eh. Parang may ginawa sana sa itang pre-chorus or something. Kasi parang ito yung chorus, ito yung post-chorus. Parang hindi ko siya bet.
Pero I like na nag-experiment sila. Kasi super different ng sound na to eh.
Super different ka ng sound na to.
Baka it's supposed to be campy talaga.
Sige nga.
Watch me.
Sige nga.
Sige nga, let's try to enjoy. Sige, parang...
Bet ko yung sound niya, yung chorus lang talaga.
Pero ewan ko, parang ito yung mga song na hindi ko gusto sa una, pero feeling ko ma-LS parang guilty, ma-LS.
Ang ganda na itong part na to. Hey! Sabi nagdadaldalan. Sabi lang si Tommy Brown yung nandito. Yung kasama ni Ariana mag-compose, You know, it's such a crazy coincidence na nandito si Tommy Brown because Tommy Brown produced Ice Cream by Blackpink at Selena Gomez.
So sikat siya na K-pop
Hindi. Sikat lang siya na mga siguro demo to na ginawa nila for Tapos binenta nila sa Bini and then binili nila.
So thoughts on Shaggy?
So first thoughts on Shaggy, cute na may flair ng Filipino culture, but the song was too one note for me. Siguro maganda kung may pre-chorus, kung yung highlight ng song hindi naging do my dance, do my. Gets na yun yung instructions ng Shaggy Shapopo. Pero alam mo yun, ngayon yung oras na dapat precise yung mga actions na ginagawa ng Bini kasi they only got one chance. Hindi na sila makakaulit ng ganito kasikat. And with the spotlight that they have right now, dapat lahat ng songs nila is A quality. So parang dun lang ako na let down. Though maganda yung verse, maganda yung vibe nung song, medyo nag-lock lang talaga ako sa chorus, which was supposed to be the most important part of the song kasi
naman hindi ko alam kung bakit, pero parang nag-expect ako ng something else, although alam ko na ganun yung chant ng Shaggy D. Feeling ko in the future ma-LSS ako, pero ngayon parang nakukornihan ako sa chorus. Pero sobrang earworm ng production and nung Shaggy D. Kasi nga kinalakihan natin yan eh. Lahat tayo naglalaro ng Shaggy D ng bata. Lahat talaga.
Oo, nilalaro talaga yan kahit sa mga birthday party.
Tapos ganito pala feeling na ginagawang pop song yung mga children's Kasi di ba yung Apatu? Feeling ko nila-replicate nila yung success ng Apatu. Kasi di ba yung Apatu, may drinking game siya sa Korea, sikat din yung Apatu. Tapos siguro, tinatry nila na gumawa ng Pinoy version of that. Which is, hindi ko naman sinasabi na pangit yung ganun. Pero overall, in general, yung song, parang may kulang for me. Ewan. Pero yung production, I really like kasi it's trying to do hyperpop, which I've never heard from Bini.
Totoo.
Ayun lang siguro yung highlight ko for this song na kudos to Bini for trying something different.
I'm finding it sincere that they're trying this new sound. Nung naririnig ko yung verse na, naalala ko yung Igloo ng Kiss of Life.
I'm on the regular.
She's something clap, then jump.
I appreciate that you tried to be cool and different and experimental. So my rating for this song, I give it a self-pay.
Hindi. So fail din. Alam mo guys, don't come for us. Sobrang laki naming Beanie fans talaga. Sa sobrang love ko yung mga songs nila. Tapos, ewan ko, parang na-disappoint ako sa song na to. Parang mas nagustuhan ko pa yung previous EP nila, yung Beanieverse. I don't know, parang hindi ko siya papapatugtog ulit. Pero tinry ko siya enjoyin, pero parang, oh my gosh, Beanie, it's hard. I don't know what to say. Sana the song will grow on me. But for now, on initial listen, parang hindi talaga, girls. I'm so sorry. Pero I still love you.
Yes. So we're still proud that you're taking us to the center stage of global music. Though the song may be one note, I like that they're really waving the flag of Filipino culture, representing us with a song
Ayaw,
that's always been in our childhood. And we're just wishing that you have more success para sa P-pop scene. Let's take it to the international stage, guys. And we will support Beanie, but I don't like the song. But we still support Beanie, guys. So what did you guys think of Shaggy? Hindi nyo rin ba siya nagustuhan? Kung nagustuhan nyo siya, bakit? I-explain nyo na mahaba dun sa comments. Para kami.
Open our eyes.
Para magustuhan din namin. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
At
huwag kalimutan yung steps nung before sa'yo para alam mo yung susundan sa
Para
Shaggy
hindi ka maano sa
Shapopo.
shaggy.
Try
Diba?
Shaggy Shapopo. Shaggy Shapopo.
Paano? Nakalimutan ko na. Ang tagal.
Bye!
So, pag naisip ng tao, gagayahin kita, gagawa kang bagong move, tapos gagayahin ito, tapos gagawa kang bagong move.
So sa akin lang talaga
Ay,
yung
oo,
nagayin
ikaw lang
lahat.
talaga.
Parang naalala ko, dapat yung isa din magdadagdag eh. Shaggy shapopo. Shaggy shapopo. Tapos,
Paano mo gagayahin?
shaggy shapopo. Shaggy shapopo.
O, paano? Talaga na.
Shaggy shapopo.
Nakakalito po.